Hello, this is Oscar Moreno with Moreno Custom Home Visions, and today we're going to teach you guys how to install your washing machine. Basic tools you're going to need is a pair of crescent wrenches or adjustable pliers, and you're also going to need another set of just regular old handy general pliers. Okay? First thing that's going to come in your in your washing machine is going to be your drain line. Your drain line is going to be attached with a real simple compression washer, which will be installed at the bottom. Also, washing machine is a cold and a hot line, which are indicated by the red collar and the blue collars. Once you got all your supplies ready, you can go ahead and attach your drain line first to your washing machine at the bottom. After you've done that, you can go ahead and attach your hot water supply line to the H, which indicates for hot water, right next to your hot water supply line. And then you're going to connect your blue hose to your cold water supply, which will be indicated by a simple C lettering right next to your fitting where you connect your hose. Once you got those two guys hooked up, you can go ahead and get your washer closer to your area where you're going to install it. You're going to go ahead and install your red sleeve hose to your hot water supply and your cold sleeve hose to your cold water supply. Once you got those guys connected, go ahead and grab your drain line, and basically all you have to do is just make sure your drain line cups inside the drain hole real easily, and it just falls into place. Last thing to do is hook up your power supply, and you're ready to start washing clothes, and that's how you hook up a washer.